Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I got the monthly knife club or knife of the month club, whatever you want to call it. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below. Ring that bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and let's get started. Alright, let's cut this baby open. Only feels like one thing in there though. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna go this way. Okay. There. Okay. A couple things here. Let's start with this. This is what's clanking around in there. Real steel. Instructions. That comes out of there. Ooh. Bigger than I thought. Wow, that's a big blade. Oh, dang it. I'm trying to read the engraving. Something Horus. Nice case. Okay. We've got a patch. Velcro patch. There's a spoiler card. Next we have a everyday pry bar and multi-tool. Box opener, bottle opener, large nail puller, hex bolt driver, staple nail remover, pry bar, jimping for secure grip, integrated pocket clip, and micro driver. Okay. A matte Reeves Riote knives. Oh shoot, that went the oh, and here we have monthly knife club. Merry Christmas. Okay, let's see, what do we got here? We got Chad Santa sticker, Bomb Morale patch. Oh, that's what that is. Riate Dragon polishing cloth. Oh, okay. That is this. EDC tool, MKC exclusive titanium pry bar, real steel Horus. Value of $60 for this one. And this pry bar is $30. That's the bulk of the price there. Cool. Alright. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. What was your favorite item? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.